This is Linux Mint, but not the way you're used to seeing it. I've stripped away the menu, tweaked the theme, tuned the colors, and made it into a minimal workspace that just doesn't look clean. It feels calmer to use. Let me show you exactly how I did it. This setup started from a clean install of Mint 22.2. No extra PPAs, no external repositories. I like keeping things stock because it always stays stable and easy to maintain. Everything I've customized here is straight from Mint's built-in tools and a few scripts of my own. Let's start with the visuals. For my overall look, I'm using a combination of the Adapta Nocto app theme and Mint Y Purple as the accent color. I love how the purple gives a subtle pop against the dark background. It's elegant, but not loud. For the desktop theme, I use Faded Dream, which smooths everything out and fits the darker tone perfectly. And the cursor, Adwaita, just plain simple and neutral. I've also got nerd fonts installed. They make terminals and icons look crisp, and it helps when customizing things like Rofi and fastfetch later. As you can see, I've moved my panel to the top. It just feels more balanced and modern. You'll notice something missing though. No Mint menu icon. That's because I swapped it out entirely for Rofi. It's keyboard driven, fast and clean. I tap a shortcut, type what I need, and I'm there. On the panel itself, I only keep a memory usage monitor. I like knowing what my system's doing at a glance, and that's it, no clutter. For me, a good terminal is essential. I use Kitty, set with transparency to blend in nicely with the background. My fastfetch is a little different. Instead of the Mint logo, I got it to randomly display an image from a folder every time I open it. It adds a bit of personality. And I have a small bash script that prints out the weather, any news highlights, and whatever holidays I have in the month, as well as some stock and cryptocurrency prices. It's become part of my morning routine. I open Kitty with coffee and see what's happening before I get to work. Most of my daily work revolves around browsing, watching videos, and editing in Kdenlive. Even though Cinnamon uses floating windows, I tend to arrange them like a tiling window manager. One for browsing, one for the terminal, and one for my editor quietly tucked away. It's not true tiling, but it's quick and keeps me focused. What I like most is how smooth Cinnamon is when multitasking. Nothing gets in the way. Let's talk about the finishing touch, the wallpaper. I keep it simple and personal. Most of my wallpapers are photos I've taken while traveling, places that mean something to me, along with a few anime images that just fit the dark theme. Every now and then I'll rotate through the folder manually. Nothing automated, no slideshow, just pick one for the day. At the end of the day, this setup isn't about showing off. It's about comfort and usefulness. It boots clean, looks good, and actually helps me do what I do: browsing, editing, and creating content. It's proof that you can keep things minimal without giving up personality. If you've enjoyed seeing me customize my Linux Mint setup, let me know in the comments below what kind of setup you like. Are you more minimal like this, or do you go full KDE style customization? And if you'd like to see my little weather script or that fastfetch configuration in detail, drop a comment. I might make that next. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.